You know, aging is one of those things that we're all gonna have to go through. We're all gonna get older. My big thing is that I just wanna be happy, I wanna be healthy, and I wanna have enough energy to do the things that I love. One of my biggest passions in life is dance. I absolutely fell in love with it the moment I started doing it. In the first 2 weeks of taking Tru Niagen, I did 10 straight days of dance, and I also did this at-home 2-week yoga challenge, and I know that it helped me stay energized. As I've gotten older, one of the things I've noticed is I've gotten really fatigued. I mean, I never thought that I would be the kind of person that would get tired after just a normal round of activities. I've taken vitamins, I've done B supplements, I've done it all in the name of slowing down the aging process and just feeling better in general, but I didn't necessarily see any benefits. I definitely feel better from taking Tru Niagen. I have just high quality sleep, I have energy to do as many dance classes as I want to do, so it's kind of amazing that I have all this energy to do the things I love.